Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through my first wash day routine. And I know this is something you're interested in. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Now let's get started. Yay! I started off by sectioning my hair into 3 sections, and then I drenched my hair in water. I went in with my shampoo because I really wanted to deep cleanse my scalp. First time washing my hair this way, and it wasn't bad. I went in again to sharpen my hair the second time, but this time I scrubbed it very well to make sure there is no dirt left, and then I rinsed it off thoroughly and my scalp felt so refreshing. Next was applying rice water that fermented for 24 hours made with aloe vera gel for extra nourishment. Rice water contains amino acids, vitamin B, C and E, and minerals that help strengthen the roots and encourage faster, healthier hair growth over time. Fermented rice water has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the scalp, reduce dandruff, and help balance scalp pH. I massage this in properly and then cover it to sit for a while before I rinse it off thoroughly. The last step was deep conditioning, and let me tell you guys, this step made my hair so soft and my curl is popped even more. I detangled further with my white tooth comb and left it in for a few minutes before I rinsed it off thoroughly. pattern was I used a clean cotton t-shirt to dry my hair behind the camera. No towels there please, avoiding freeze and breakage from the jump. Moisturizing as usual, I use the LCO method, leave-in, my hair butter, and my hair oil to seal in other moisture. I massage that goodness in for blood circulation. And my hair is so juicy and defined, honestly I couldn't stop touching them. This first rose day was a learning experience, but it felt so good to get my natural hair. And I'm excited for this journey and I can't wait to see how my hair grows and thrives. So if you've done the big chop and you're thinking about it, comment below and tell me your experience. And don't forget to like, subscribe and join me as I grow and learn through this journey. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.